The Honda Shadow 600 VLX is one of those motorcycles that proves you don't need massive horsepower or complicated technology to enjoy every mile on the road. From the very first glance, this cruiser captures attention with its timeless styling, low-slung stance, and classic American-inspired design combined with Honda's legendary engineering. The candy red fuel tank and matching fenders immediately stand out, creating a premium appearance that perfectly complements the gloss black V-twin engine, matte black dual exhaust, chrome accents, and black wheels. Every angle of this motorcycle reflects a balance between elegance, simplicity, and everyday practicality. At the front, the large chrome round headlight gives the motorcycle a traditional cruiser personality, while providing excellent visibility during both daytime and nighttime riding. The black front forks blend beautifully with the gloss black frame, creating a clean and muscular appearance. Chrome mirrors and chrome handlebars add a premium touch, while the wide handlebars provide a relaxed riding posture that feels natural from the moment you sit on the bike. The simple analog speedometer keeps the cockpit uncluttered, allowing riders to focus on the road instead of unnecessary distractions. The beautifully sculpted teardrop-shaped fuel tank is one of the most recognizable features of the Honda Shadow 600 VLX. Finished in a rich candy red paint with a deep glossy shine, it reflects studio lights and sunlight equally well. The chrome Honda emblem completes the classic design, making the motorcycle instantly recognizable. The tank offers enough capacity for enjoyable weekend rides and daily commuting without requiring frequent fuel stops. Powering this cruiser is Honda's dependable 583cc liquid-cooled 52-degree V-twin engine. This engine has earned a reputation around the world for its smooth power delivery, long-term durability, and reliable performance. Rather than chasing extreme horsepower numbers, the Shadow focuses on delivering strong low-end torque, allowing riders to accelerate smoothly from traffic lights and cruise comfortably on open roads. Whether you're riding through busy city streets or enjoying a peaceful countryside highway, the engine remains refined, predictable, and confidence-inspiring. One of the biggest strengths of the Shadow 600 VLX is its incredibly smooth throttle response. Power comes in gradually, making it an excellent motorcycle for beginners while still being enjoyable for experienced cruiser riders. The liquid cooling system helps maintain consistent engine temperatures during slow-moving traffic as well as longer highway journeys. Honda's engineering ensures that vibration levels remain controlled, making long rides more comfortable than many motorcycles in the same class. The gloss black engine creates a bold contrast against the candy red bodywork, while polished chrome engine covers add a luxurious finish. Every component appears carefully designed, giving the motorcycle a premium look without becoming overly complicated. The matte black dual exhaust system continues this balanced styling theme. Besides its aggressive appearance, the exhaust produces a deep cruiser sound that feels satisfying without becoming excessively loud. Chrome heat shields complete the exhaust system while adding durability and visual appeal. Comfort has always been a major priority for the Honda Shadow series, and the Shadow 600 VLX continues that tradition. The low seat height allows riders of different heights to place both feet confidently on the ground when stopped. The wide black leather seat provides excellent support for both short city rides and longer weekend adventures. The relaxed foot controls and upright riding position reduce fatigue, allowing riders to spend more time enjoying the journey. Handling is another area where this motorcycle surprises many riders. Thanks to its low center of gravity, the Shadow feels stable and easy to control even at low speeds. Parking lot maneuvers, U-turns, and slow-speed riding become much less intimidating compared to larger heavyweight cruisers. Once on the open road, the motorcycle remains composed and predictable, giving riders confidence through gentle curves and long, straight highways alike. The suspension system is designed for comfort rather than aggressive sport riding. The front telescopic forks absorb road imperfections smoothly, while the rear suspension provides a comfortable ride over uneven pavement. Combined with the motorcycle's relaxed geometry, every ride feels stable and enjoyable. The black wheels perfectly complement the overall color scheme while adding a modern touch to the classic cruiser design. The front disc brake delivers confident stopping power, while the rear drum brake provides smooth and predictable braking performance. Together, they create a braking system that feels balanced and easy to control during everyday riding. Attention to detail can be seen throughout the motorcycle. Chrome accents around the headlight, mirrors, engine covers, and various trim pieces catch the light beautifully without overwhelming the design. Every part feels purposeful, creating a motorcycle that looks expensive while maintaining Honda's reputation for practicality and reliability. One of the reasons the Honda Shadow 600 VLX remains popular even years after its introduction is its outstanding reliability. Owners frequently praise its dependable engine, low maintenance requirements, and impressive longevity. With regular servicing, this motorcycle is capable of providing many years of enjoyable riding. Replacement parts remain widely available, making ownership simple and affordable. Whether you're searching for your very first cruiser or adding another motorcycle to your garage, the Honda Shadow 600 VLX offers a riding experience that feels welcoming, comfortable, and rewarding. It combines timeless cruiser styling with Honda's proven engineering, creating a motorcycle that never goes out of fashion. The candy red paint, gloss black engine, matte black exhaust, chrome accents, and black wheels come together to create a truly elegant machine that looks just as impressive parked in a premium showroom as it does cruising down an open highway. The Honda Shadow 600 VLX isn't trying to be the fastest motorcycle on the road. Instead, it focuses on something far more important: delivering dependable performance, classic beauty, exceptional comfort, and a riding experience that reminds you why motorcycles continue to inspire freedom and adventure around the world.